Good morning, Andy Farmer here, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. I want to do a video walkthrough on this Boston Whaler 240 Dauntless, year model 2019. You can see it's equipped with a Mercury L6, 350 horsepower engine, roughly 80 hours of use. Got a boarding ladder back here. Flip up this aft bench seat. This is one of my favorite model whalers because it's so versatile. You can fish one day with your buddies and pull up the sandbar and entertain the whole family on it. Got storage underneath these cushions here. Ski pylons down there. Boat is equipped with a optional flip backrest seat. It's my wife's favorite seat on these boats because you can use it like a leaning post. The way it's set up now, you can face aft or you can flip it around when you're running and sit down. Nice large live well. It's insulated, so keep your bait active and fresh, or ice it and use it as a cooler while on board. Coming up to the console, got a nice Raymarine touch screen display, sounder, Fusion stereo, Raymarine VHF radio, Whaler heavy duty stainless hardware everywhere. Metals on the boat look great. Glove box, hard top, coming around the starboard side, nice clean walkways, good handles, powder coated T-top. Boat is wired for optional trolling motor, so you've got the battery boxes in here and all the wiring if you want to add a trolling motor. You've got a portable head that is plumbed for overboard discharge, or excuse me, for overboard pump out. So other side of the console is your pump out water tank, fresh water on board as well. Here's your second live well, using it for rope storage. Cushions are in good shape. Pop up backrest, good storage. This bow area, great for entertaining. Remove the cushions and you got a nice wide casting deck. Freshwater shower, pop out from skiing, boarding ladder there, rinse off there. It's a nice boat, low hours. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. This is the head pump out that I was telling you about. Pull up, fill your fuel tank up with full fuel and pump your head out at the same time. Powder coated T-top, rocket launchers. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. Andy Farmer, MarineMax, 910-264-4818. Give us a call about this boat. Again, Andy Farmer, MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, 910-264-4818. Thanks.